And speaking of education, you are humanizing everything now. You are getting together. I see you have classes throughout the building, and some of them are large, some of them are small. So that is a really great opportunity for agents also to mingle, to learn from each other, to get back to real world and to be human again.
Right.
So I really appreciate that you are arranging that atmosphere.
Yeah, you got to bring people together. We're social animals, right? And we want to interact. And we find it incredibly valuable to be able to get face to face with folks. That's the business we're in. So even when COVID hit, we were still doing the open houses wherever we could and doing it in a safe way because we wanted to get with people. And I think the more times you bring people together, you learn more from each other.
Exactly.
And the socialization factor of it, it's fun. You want to have fun in what you're doing. So we try to put things together. And not only do we do it at our world headquarters, but we also do it in our local offices. Our managers are fantastic coaches. And they get the people into the office and get them engaged. Because the more engagement there is, the more activity there is, the more conversations there is, the more contracts you get. So
that's true.
It's a simple business, but you got to do it. And it's just so important to get together. And I'm so glad, we're getting out of this pandemic the way we are. And one thing we learned too is you can also help educate people virtually as well. But nothing beats getting together and being with each other, laughing, sharing, having a cup of coffee, telling the war stories. You really learn more from that.